guys, welcome to A Bit of Everything channel. Shout out to my solid friends out there. Thank you for watching. Now what I'm going to do to make is dalgona coffee. What is a dalgona coffee? It is a beverage made by whipping equal proportions of instant coffee powder, sugar, and hot water until it becomes creamy, and then adding to it cold or hot milk. Occasionally, it is topped with crumb biscuits or honey or cocoa. The viral trend of sharing recipes and photos of do-it-yourself coffee first gained prominence during social distancing in South Korea. It is also called quarantine coffee or quarantine drink. Credit to actor Jung Il-woo, who ordered whipped coffee in Macau. The things we need is a bowl, coffee, Moccona coffee. I like this coffee. Australian white sugar. Australian made is the best. And cocoa. I like Nestle brand. It really tastes like cocoa, real cocoa. This is for toppings later on. And then we need also hot water. Now we're going to get equal proportions of coffee, sugar, and water. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. One, 2, and sugar. One, and 2, and then water, hot water, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Now that the 3 ingredients is in the bowl, you can use the hand whisker, spoon, but for me, I prefer to use my electric beater. Let's start. You have to beat it for 5 minutes. So we can already like raise and like semi-solid. more minutes until it becomes fluffy. while waiting, you can enjoy some music. This is the right consistency. To have this fluff, it took me 10 minutes to beat. Now, we're going to start putting the milk. We put ice in the glass. I like it cold, so I put more ice. This much. And milk. I'm going to use Australian milk, fresh milk. And the amount that I will put is just maybe half of the glass. Now I'm going to put this one, coffee. Looks yum. I can't wait. Okay, it will keep me awake all night probably. Look at that. The fluffiness of the coffee and sugar. Oh, yum. Can't wait. Come on. Oh, gosh. I think I need some more. I need that coffee. Keep me awake. There you go. That's it. And now I'm gonna to top this with cocoa. Just pinch. And that's it. And here's my straw. Yum. I can't wait. That's it. That's my Dalgona coffee made of Moccona espresso. You can smell it. So yum. Now I'm going to make a Nesquik strawberry Dalgona, and I'm going to use the Nestle brand. Now I'm going to use Dream Whip. This one costs around $3.50. I like to use this brand. And we need also the fresh milk. Australian fresh milk. And we're going to need some ice as well. Ice. And our measuring in a cup. And our measuring teaspoon. Optional is sugar. You can add sugar to your milk if you want, or you don't need to have milk because this strawberry Nesquik is already sweet. Alright. Now let's start with the Dream Whip. We're going to add the Dream Whip in our bowl. You can add how much you want. And I think we need to add more. That's it. I think that would be enough. Then I'm going to mix just 2 tablespoons of this strawberry flavored Nesquik. 1 and 2. This one is a bit different from the Dalgona coffee because we're not going to beat this one, but we're just going to mix it. Just soft mixing. Mix well that the strawberry color mixed with the whip. It smells so nice, the strawberry flavored. It's quick. All right, and that's it. Now I'm going to add milk to our cup, whatever amount you want. You can add sugar to your milk, or it's optional because already the whip is already sweet. Before I put the whip, I'm going to add the sugar. I like it cold, so I'm going to put more. And I'm not going to add sugar to my Dalgona strawberry. And this one, you don't have to mix heavily, just soft, because otherwise the whip will turn like watery already. So just mix it this way. Yeah, smells nice. There you go. I want to get all of it, so I'm changing my fork to spoon. Oops, ooh, gooey. But I like it that way. Now here's the whipped cream strawberry flavored by Nestle. It looks so yummy. I'm going to put the straw now. Can't wait to drink this. That's it, my version of strawberry Nesquik Dalgona. Thank you guys.